E-dubs, T-dub. Welcome to E-dubs, T-dub. It's springtime here. I'm starting to think about, camping and backpacking and moto camping and all that stuff. And I was going through my gear and I pulled out my battery pack. And I think that when I'm out adventuring, my phone, keeping that charged, because maps kind of drains the battery, using the GPS, especially if you're out there in the woods or whatever. But I didn't really know what to do. I was digging through my camping stuff. I found this from Survival Frog. And these clips right here really got my attention. They can snap right here on the handlebar. But I tested it. I went driving around. Didn't really like it because it's kind of floppy. But with the key in, it sits right perfect, nice and snug. And then the cord, you can put a short cord right to here, right to my phone. And then I can see the map. I don't have to worry about wherever. And if I get to stopping and go check something out or whatever, I really like this battery pack because it's solar, so that works. So I just went cruising around and the city or whatever with it up here, and it didn't move, so it's pretty stable. But I do like the clips just in case I hit a bump, it's not going to fall off. But also on my Vulcan that I have over there, to get to the battery you have to take the seat off. Well, I was having some problems with it, jump starting it and whatever, and so I bought a little pigtail to put on there, and I got them for what I think is pretty cheap. And it's a pretty sweet setup. These go on the battery. This you can connect your battery tender or battery charger, or I have a jump start pack. And that just connects right to that. But the reason why I went with this one is it comes with this little USB. So that is pretty sweet. So if I didn't want to do my battery pack, I can just plug my battery or my phone cord right into that. Or if my battery packs need charging while I'm out moto camping, then while I'm setting up my tent and everything, I can recharge my portable power packs. So I'll post a picture of the price and all that stuff. Right, just like that. Connect to the battery terminals. Take it here, tuck it, wherever. And then there's this right here. I actually might bend that and tuck that in right there. I don't know, but we'll see. So I didn't like it on this side because of the exhaust. It was pretty close. I don't really know how hot it could get. It could melt it. Who knows? So I went over here, ran it through. Right there. Here it is. And then just tuck it right back in there. Can't even tell it's there. Hopefully you can see it. The garage is kind of dark. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time.